Welcome! If you've ever blocked someone on Instagram and now want to give them a second chance, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to unblock someone directly from their profile using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and make your Instagram experience smoother. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. You'll notice the familiar layout, but with a few new tweaks from the recent update. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the magnifying glass icon or the word Search. That's your next stop. Click on Search to bring up the search bar. Now it's important to type in the exact username of the person you want to unblock. If you're not sure of the spelling, try to recall their handle or check your past messages or notifications for clues. The search function is precise, so entering the correct username is key. Once you see their profile appear in the search results, click on it to open their account page. Even though you've blocked them, their profile will still show up in search, but you won't see their posts or stories just yet. Instead, you'll notice a button that says Unblock right on their profile. Go ahead and click Unblock. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to reconnect. Confirm your decision, and just like that, the user is unblocked. They'll now be able to see your posts, send you messages, and interact with your content again, depending on your privacy settings. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can easily unblock someone from their profile on Instagram using your PC. Whether it's to rekindle a friendship or simply clear up your block list, this new update makes the process quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.